hosting weddings for about 20 years now, I still get a little kick of nervous energy before I start the party. I'm thinking about the details that I have to cover, the music format that I have to play, and everything that's gonna make an important part of this special day in this couple's lives. For Casey and Jacqueline, that was elevated just a little bit because Casey, our groom, is actually a DJ himself. He actually used to rock with me way back in the day, so he's seen it all. He's seen, thousands of events and weddings. He's seen how we rock, and he's seen what a good celebration entails. And for Casey and Jacqueline, that's what I had to bring. Although there are so many unique things about Casey and Jackie's wedding, one of the things that really just kind of stand out first is just their venue, the Art Factory in Paterson, New Jersey. This is such a rustic, raw space that you can kind of design it as you like. They have a lot of different elements for you to move around. They had this amazing cave of a room for their ceremony, really set the tone. It has this large stone wall behind you. It was really, just looked amazing, looks cool. Then they have a different space for your cocktail hour. Following that, they went to the reception center where it's a long space. There's room for catering to make their food, room for everyone to sit with long tables. You could design it really funky, really custom, and the venue is actually like a character inside of their wedding because it has so much charm. And if you've never seen it, it's definitely a place to check out if you're looking for a raw space or really rustic design space in North Jersey. Sometimes when planning weddings, there's a genre of music that maybe a small group of your wedding will really like, but not the entire wedding party. For Casey and Jackie, that was some classic R&B from the late 90s, early 2000s. It's something I love. It's something a lot of his groomsmen loved. Even his mom was into it. But what was cool about that is I knew it wasn't gonna pack the dance floor if I paid late 90s, early 2000 R&B for everyone that was there. So as a DJ, thinking about programming for your entire night, I made sure I specifically played kind of that genre of music around the end of dinner. And the reason why I did this is because I knew how to get a small group of people that would start grooving to the music and start, really enjoying it. So taking it from there, it's all about programming up to make sure your crowd has a better response, get some energy, and I kind of choose selections of songs to keep on building on that small crowd that's there to keep on bringing people down to the dance floor. To make sure the buildup of your wedding throughout any section is organic. It's not force-fed to your crowd. It's not where I'm screaming on a mic. It's more about picking the right songs at the right time and playing them correctly to make sure that all your guests just say, ooh, I like this song. And there's a dance floor going. And just keep on building and building. And then within about 10 to 15 minutes, boom, we have a packed dance floor. Everyone's having a great time. One of the most common questions that I get asked is, what's something different we could do at our wedding for our guests, our family and friends? If you're a couple that loves the idea of high energy, if you like a packed dance floor, one of the kind of unique things we do is something called a black light show. So what we actually do is shut off all the lights in your catering hall, put on 800 watts of black light, put some really, pumped up music, get people raising their hands in the air. We actually can hand out some disco sticks, and it creates high energy, big feel party. If you're looking for a wedding just like this, You can find me anywhere at the Chris Atwood on all social media. You can find us, the SE Event Group, at seeventgroup.com, or you can give us a like on Instagram at the SE Event Group. I'd love to be part of your day, and I'd love to make your wedding celebration just as amazing as this one. I hope to see you soon.
Yeah, hi, I'm Casey.
We really suck at this. You're welcome, Chris Atwood.
Yeah, I got long sleeves on because I'm burnt. As you can see, it's gorgeous out here. We're in Palawan, Philippines. And just here to talk about our good friend and DJ from our wedding, Chris Atwood. If you're looking for a DJ who will go above and beyond when it comes to the entertainment, you have to go with him. He's an expert in reading the crowd and also playing to the crowd.
Yeah, I would definitely agree with that. I had so many guests that came up to me and asked, or just told me that like they've been to so many weddings that like the DJ just had no idea what to do. Or oh, my breakfast is here.
Thanks,
Yes.
Dave.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Aside from reading the crowd really, really well, it was just a great, like, upbeat, motivated day from start to finish. Like, there was a time where the girls and I were taking pictures where Chris was setting up and stuff like that, and, you know, even though he was busy trying to get his day started, he started playing some music for us, and it got us really hyped for photos. We took amazing pictures because of it.
We love you, Chris. We love everybody.
Thank you so much for everything you did for us.
Want to check out the scenery?
Oh, also, wait. Our video was amazing. Our wedding video. There were so many little details that just really brought out our personality. And we really, really appreciated that. And that's coming from someone who was like, video, who needs one?
Why would you curse?
I mean, F a video.
Anyway, that's the scenery that we're looking at now. And yeah, we'll see you later. Love you, Chris. Thanks, man.